Hey and welcome to Alt1. So this is an update video for OctaFX copy trading for Forex. I did make an account here so you can copy my trades. Let's take a look how things are going. I know that have been not going that good actually. I'm currently in a little drawdown. As you can see here now, I have a free margin of $76. Let's go to the copy section. Let's take a look. We search for alpha. I would like to be in the top here, but we can see that that is not the case. I'm all the way down here. We see we have a all-time gain. That is not what we have lost and won. Basically, you can see that my trades currently would be 50-50, 50% basically. So going zero. We can take a look at why is that. So we then go down. You see we were up a little here. We were up as much as $6. What happened is that we got a loss on GBP USD. I was building a robot that could do what I'm doing automatically, and the robot did a mistake there, so we lost $5.2. I do also have a few trades going. This is a part of a system I have. On the 4 hour, this looks quite good. The good thing with this broker, we don't have the daily cost in between each day, so we don't need to think about that. So we can hold the trades basically as long as you want. I'm expecting this one to shoot up very soon. I have set a take profit, so we take a small profit on this, and this can close any minute. So when that happens, our account should look a little nicer again. But yes, we have not had the best success, I will admit that, since we started 14th of June. We are now at 21, so you can see we have not had this super success yet. But overall, I'm a profitable Forex trader, so I'm pretty sure that we will turn this around. Now, with that is said, I'm trading on a much smaller account than I typically do. I started with a balance of 112. We are basically in zero now, so we are back in 112. And you see unrealized floating profit is minus 28. This is nothing super scary yet, and I think we will get out of this trade very soon. So that is basically the update. You are free to copy what I'm doing, or you can copy other Forex traders, of course. You don't need to copy me. You see, I'm a newcomer here, so it's like, I'm not that, but in this broker I am. So you can choose to copy me or other ones here at OctaFX, and let's see if you can make some money on Forex also. So you find the link below the video for that, and I will update you again next week. Have an amazing day.